It's always your fault. Oh, goodbye. Well, I didn't think I'd be on time, but I made it. Now if the car's only on time. Where's the skipper with that car? I break my neck getting here on time and then have to stand around like a wooden Indian. He can't make a fool out of me! There's the car, now where's the skipper? Aha! At a moment like this, you can eat. I'm waiting for the trolley and I wait and wait and wait, and you good-for-nothing, time-wasting old flapjack eater.
Say, hold it, Mr. Bang, hold it. Steady now, steady, Mr. Bang. Take it easy.
How dare you! I'll sue you! It's this kind of nonsense that makes us miss our trains!
Hold your horses. I'll get you there in time.
Why, you old fossil, that trolley hasn't been on time in 10 years.
Yeah, bet you'll be on time this morning.
Bet it won't.
Bet you will.
Bet it won't.
Bet it will.
Bet it won't.
Bet it will.
Bet you $10 it won't.
$10? I'll take that bet. Katrinka, this'll be the easiest $10 I ever made. All aboard! All aboard! Pay as you enter.
Skipper, don't forget the hat.
Goodbye, Katrinka.
Good luck, Skipper. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Ooh. Jiminy crickets, what's the matter? What's the matter? Why, the power's off.
I knew something would happen. I told you the old car couldn't make it.
Hello, hello, powerhouse. Say, where's my power? I got no electricity.
No, and you ain't gonna get any till you pay your bill.
My bill? Well, say, I'm one of your oldest customers.
No matter how old you are, pay your bill.
Why, you ding-busted profiteer, this is costing me $10.
Might as well pay me the bet now. I told you couldn't be on time.
Katrinka, do something. Do something, Katrinka.
Now what kind of nonsense? What are you going to do with that pole? Look out!
Okay, Skipper, Katrinka fix.
Blow, Katrinka, blow hard. Sailing over the bounding main. The schooner will probably take you there and bring you back again. Wow, we're going up in the air! Help!
Look, oh my goodness, what's going to happen? Oh, go away, you crazy king. Oh, you make me so full of mad. Hey, you bring that back. I tell Skipper on you. Bring it back.
Look out for the cyclone! Look out!
Hang on, Skipper. Katrinka kom. Shipping. Hang on, skipper!
Stop the train! Stop the train! Look out! Here comes the tunnel!
Help! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! How'd you get in here anyway? Why don't you be careful?
Hey! Come back with my $10! I won the bet! You caught your train!
Keep the pants on, skipper! Katrinka beats!
Pay me, Mr. Bank!
Well, it was worth it. First time the car ever was on time.